Alright, this is the third time we've come back to see if we can get the CB550 running. Got the carbs off, as you can see, the tank's off. Discovered an issue with the points. So 1 and 4 cylinders aren't working, which is, we thought it was this coil, but it's actually, we switched the coil and it works, so I think it's somewhere in the points. Have a new set of points. And here, have new spark plugs. We'll get to that later. For right now, I gotta get new fuel lines into these carburetors. The spring came off and they're kind of all messed up from just taking them apart and trying to get all the fuel lines in, which didn't work. So that's what's on tap for today. And hopefully we get the carburetors installed, carburetors fixed, installed, and then we'll mess around over here with the points. And hopefully if we get spark, carburetors on, throw some gas in it, see what we got. So let's get to it. All right, here we go. We're gonna try to just get any sign of life, clean the carbs, check the timing, got new points, 1 new point, and battery works. So the carburetor okay. I think we still need to do a little deep dive on it, but we're gonna spray some carb cleaner in there. Just look for any sign of life. Let's go for it.
What are you going to presume are the chances that it actually starts?
I don't think I did entirely enough. Can you give it a little bit? Just looking for a little sign of life.
Seems like a lot.
But not a lot was getting in there. You ready? Shit.
All right, just leave it. All right.
Run. Clutch.
I saw actual. It actually sounded like a running motorcycle.
I think with a little help. Come on now! That's nice! That sounded good.
That was actually running.
Alright, so it's the first started with a little brake clean in the carburetors. This time we put a little gas down the tubes with a little syringe thing over there. And we're gonna see if the carburetors actually suck it up. So we bypassed the carburetors float and bowls and went straight into the cylinders. Now we're gonna see if it starts on using its own gas. That might still be the...
Yeah, that could be the leftover starting fluid. Yeah, that stuff would have burned off by now.
It's on off. It's on off.
Oh.
When I let this off.
Good news is that fuel did go down a little bit, so fuel's getting through the car.
So I don't know if the neutral switch is still shutting it off when I let go of the clutch.
I would say it definitely would be.
Okay, well that's what happened that time. I let go of the clutch.
Don't let go of the clutch.
So let's do it again. On.
Is there a choke? Is there still gas in the tubes?
No. Hold on.
A lot more smoke on that side. You have to get some gas now.
Yeah, all right, I'm going to now take the tank, one of the 4 tanks I got with this bike, clean it a little bit, and get it ready for gas, and I'll come back with some gas. This isn't the one I want. This is the one I want. I'll come back with gas, or do you have a little gas? I can just, we'll throw some gas in it and see if it, how long it wants to run. That is a good sign. That was awesome.
Very good sign.
Nice. Give it up. You did not think that. What were your chances?
I was giving it a solid 50-50.
Well, you didn't see the step I skipped at the cleaning the carb.
What's
The emulsifier tube that's in the carb. You're supposed to punch it out. I didn't punch it out. I'm using the old tube. I wondered why.
But you said you tested and air was getting through.
Yeah, gas was getting through. So, but that sounded good. I'm excited to hear all of them going and ready. So let's get that tank on and see what we can do. All right, I'm going to check to see how we're doing with the tank here. It looks pretty good. I'm going to dump a little gas in there and shake it around and dump it out. See what we can see in the cream pies container. See how much kind of loose stuff is in there, and then see where we have to go from there. So and then we'll dispose of the gas. I think we knew the answer. All right, I got some work to do on this tank. Good news, does not leak, even from the pepcock. So I guess that's good. It's not good, but all right. Very little. Jesus. All right, seemed like it should be warmed up. I mean, I don't have it going through the air filter, so I'm gonna just try it.